In this lecture, I want to talk about iframe or inline frame. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. For example, I want to embed my site. Use iframe, src, open double quotation, http //www.ajcreator.com/en. Save. You see, it's my website. Embed my site, or I can embed local site. What is my local link.html? Local link.html. Sorry. Save, refresh. I am active. Embed my local link. Now I want to embed a video clip. I go to youtube.com. And search sports, for example. Search soccer is better. Okay. Click on share in embed and copy this one and paste it here. Save, refresh. There you go. Fantastic. Excellent. Now you will prepare for HTML project. I will see you in next lecture with HTML project. Good luck.